Hello guys, this na the Infinix Note 11 and na the only Infinix phone when I don't see when get voice assistant. The name na Folax, and with this intelligent assistant, you fit make calls, check time and open applications if you use your mouth talk to the phone. See wetin I dey talk about. What is the time?
It is 3:56.
This assistant is solid if you compare am with Google Assistant. If you dey use Google Assistant, then you know say if you talk say hello Google, the assistant go open and you fit ask am questions like rain go fall today, wetin be time, and wetin be the latest news this morning. Google Assistant go give you the answers to these questions, but e get im limitations. Google Assistant no fit do some things like open some applications off the phone and send text messages. I think na here na Folax voice assistants for get advantage, because na system app. I believe say future updates go get access to power controls, opening all apps and even change settings like Folax reduce screen brightness by 20%. The voice assistant is very funny and not be exactly wetin you think for now. E get many errors and confusing things about am. Before we talk about am, make I show you wetin dey inside the packaging box of this Infinix Note 11. As I dey unbox the phone, if you click the subscribe button, I go appreciate am, and if you like this video and click the thumb up button for me, wow, e go help me a lot. Inside the box, you go see the phone with im quick specifications on top of am. The display na 6.7-inch HD Plus Vivid AMOLED with Mediatek Helio G88 dual-chip processor. The battery capacity na 5000 mAh with 33-watt flash charge. And finally, na the 50-megapixel back camera when dey the phone. The next thing when dey inside the box na the phone bumper case when size the phone well, but e not fine for the phone and I not like the quality of the material. The next thing na the same injector. I like the shape of this particular one. E dey easy to handle. Then we get the charger, the earpiece, and finally the USB-C cable. The right side of the phone carry the volume plus power button. The fingerprint sensor dey the power button too. Top of the phone dey empty. The left side of the phone gets the SIM house. The bottom carry the speaker, the charging port, the microphone and audio jack. And finally, the back carry 3 cameras plus the flashlight. The phone no heavy, even with a 5000 mAh battery, and e no too big. The size na the perfect size for person wey like portable phones. The design good, especially the back of the phone and the edges. If you look the display well, the screen almost cover the entire screen. Side-by-side comparison with the Note 11i show clear say Note 11 small pass 11i, but e get better display performance pass 11i. This phone only cost 110,000 naira, and aside from the camera, this phone worth the money. I no mean say the camera bad, just that no be wetin I expect from phone like this. So with 110,000 naira, you go get 4GB RAM plus 128GB ROM phone when they run on Android 11. The phone still feature the new upgraded quick settings. About the voice assistants when I dey talk about earlier for this video, na the story be this. When Tecno launched Camon 18 series, Camon 18P and Camon 18 Premier get intelligent voice assistants and im name na Ella. If you wan watch that video, I leave the link for the description for you. Infinix Note 11 get the same thing and dem call their own voice assistant Folax. So I asked Folax wetin be im name, and guess what? What is your name?
I'm Ella. Ella.
So the two na the same voice assistants with different names. So na who thief who for here? E be like say na Infinix na don go thief from Techno, because na dem na try to change the name from Ella to Folax. I asked the two assistants the same questions and then they give me exactly the same reply. Put your ear for ground. No, I don't mean make you put your ear for ground. I mean listen. How old are you?
I'm not old enough to get married.
How old are you?
It's a girl's secret.
Note 11 get good audio sound quality, and when you take and record something, the sound dey clear. Talk about the network, e dey run on 4G network and no be 5G, and like most other Android phones, the FM radio require earpiece to work. The camera too no give me wetin I expect from 50 megapixel camera phone. The zooming range no far, and the quality of the image dey drop too much than expected during zooming. This one na one UBA bank wey dey about 3 buildings away from me. As I zoom in, you go notice how much the quality of the image drop. Record, press record. I will get the tripod. These ones now are some of the pictures when I take with the back camera using different camera modes. The front camera na 16 megapixel camera and na the same thing with the Note 11i front camera, but this one better pass that one. At least the image clear pass Note 11i own. If you dey buy phone because of camera, run lost. No come near this phone because although the camera no bad, e no worth phone of 110,000 naira. You fit spend your 110k for this phone? Tell me wetin you think for the comment section of this video. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you for my next video.